How can you make tummy time less torture, more fun? Try these tricks. Just remember, tummy time should always be carefully supervised time. Combine tummy time with your workout time. Lie her on your chest or abdomen while you do your sit-ups. Add some funny faces and silly noises with each rep to keep her attention. Lay her on your legs, tummy down, and holding tight, take her for an airplane ride. Or roll her gently and securely on your exercise ball, covered with a blanket to make it comfy. Hold his interest with smiles, sweet talk, and toys. The idea is to entice him to hold up his head before he even notices he's on his belly. Try a tummy time pillow, a boppy, or play mat for more interesting perspective. Or just give her a lift by putting a soft rolled towel or receiving blanket under her upper chest, armpit to armpit. Just make sure she also gets to work those muscles from a flat on her tummy position. You can also try rolling her gently into tummy time from her back.